Have you ever found yourself dreaming of the perfect life, that dream car, the ideal house, and all the success you've envisioned? You know exactly what you need to do to achieve these goals, but there's just one thing missing: the motivation to turn these dreams into reality. If this sounds familiar, then you're in the right place. In this video, we've distilled the key points from Dr. Kent Andrew Huberman's insightful 2-hour podcast into a concise guide that will equip you with the mental clarity and motivation you need to chase your dreams. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. But before we do, a quick reminder: if you find our content helpful, please show your support by subscribing to our channel. It's completely free, but it means the world to us and keeps us motivated to create more valuable content like this for you. Now, let's get started on your journey to a more motivated and focused you. Dopamine, more than just a buzzword. It's a crucial neurotransmitter, a key player in our brain's communication system. It orchestrates our experiences of desire, fulfillment, and drive. Beyond pleasure, dopamine is the cornerstone of our complex behaviors and emotional responses. It's the spark behind our most profound moments of joy and the comfort in our times of focus and achievement. Let's unravel how our daily choices shape our dopamine levels. It's a dance of action and reaction. The run at dawn, the meals we choose, the tranquility of our sleep, each plays a vital role in modulating our dopamine. These everyday decisions can either amplify or diminish this essential neurotransmitter. The foods we eat, particularly those rich in tyrosine like almonds, bananas, and avocados, can boost dopamine production, enhancing our mental clarity and focus. Balance is key. It's not just about physical activity or diet. Managing stress and embracing tranquility are equally vital. Harmonizing life's hustle with periods of serenity is crucial for sustaining healthy dopamine levels, ensuring our motivation and focus remain at their peak. Activities like yoga, meditation, and even simple breathing exercises can significantly impact our dopamine levels, promoting a sense of calm and focus. Turning to nature's pharmacy, we find mucuna pruriens and L-tyrosine. These natural supplements can positively influence our dopamine levels. But here's a word of caution: understanding their impact and using them judiciously is essential. Over-reliance can disrupt our body's innate dopamine regulation mechanisms. Mucuna pruriens, in particular, contains L-dopa, a direct precursor to dopamine, which can be a powerful tool when used correctly. Remember, moderation is the golden rule. Excessive dependence on external aids can lead to an imbalance, hindering our body's natural ability to manage dopamine. It's about complementing, not replacing, our natural processes. This approach ensures that we're enhancing our well-being without creating dependency or imbalance. As we delve deeper into the dopamine landscape, let's turn our attention to the power of human connection. It's not just what we do alone that influences our dopamine levels, but also how we interact with others. Our social interactions, from deep conversations to casual encounters, play a significant role in our emotional and mental health. Social interactions play a pivotal role in our dopamine dynamics. Engaging in meaningful conversations, sharing laughter, and forming genuine connections, these social activities release oxytocin, a hormone that indirectly stimulates dopamine pathways. This is why fulfilling relationships can be so rewarding and uplifting. The feeling of belonging, of being understood and valued, can significantly boost our dopamine levels, enhancing our sense of happiness and fulfillment. But it's not just about quantity, it's the quality of these interactions that truly matters. Positive, supportive relationships can enhance our dopamine levels, leading to greater motivation and satisfaction. On the other hand, stressful or negative social experiences can have the opposite effect. It's about finding those connections that enrich our lives, that bring us joy and support, and nurturing them. Finding the right balance between social engagement and personal time is crucial. It's about creating a harmony that supports our dopamine levels, ensuring we enjoy both the company of others and the peace of solitude. This balance is different for everyone. Some may find joy in large social gatherings, while others may prefer intimate conversations with close friends. The key is to listen to your needs and find what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. Now, let's explore other compounds that influence our dopamine levels. Melatonin, commonly known for its role in sleep, also has a subtle impact on dopamine. It's a delicate dance. While melatonin prepares us for rest, it also modulates the dopamine system, affecting our mood and alertness. This is why a good night's sleep is not just restorative for the body, but also for the mind. Phenethylamine, or P, found in certain foods like chocolate, is another player in the dopamine game. It can provide a short-term boost in mood and energy. Similarly, huperzine, a compound used in traditional Chinese medicine, can influence our cognitive functions by interacting with the dopamine system. These compounds, when consumed in moderation, can offer a natural boost to our mental state. While these compounds can be beneficial, it's important to approach them with knowledge and caution. Understanding their effects and how they interact with our unique biochemistry is key to using them effectively and safely. It's about enhancing our well-being through informed choices, not just seeking quick fixes. As we navigate the intricate world of dopamine, it becomes clear that managing this neurotransmitter is not just about what we consume or how we interact, but also about the habits we cultivate. Let's explore practical strategies to effectively manage and optimize our dopamine levels. Starting your day right can set the tone for your dopamine levels. A morning routine that includes exercise, even something as simple as a brisk walk, can significantly boost dopamine. Pair this with a balanced breakfast, rich in proteins and healthy fats, and you're on your way to a day filled with focus and motivation. This combination of physical activity and nutritious food kickstarts your brain, preparing you for a day of productivity and mental clarity. Throughout the day, it's important to engage in activities that challenge and interest you. Whether it's a demanding project at work or a creative hobby, these activities stimulate the brain's reward pathways, releasing dopamine and enhancing your sense of satisfaction and achievement. It's about finding those tasks that not only need to be done, but also bring you a sense of purpose and joy. Remember, balance is key. Regular breaks, especially those spent in nature or in mindfulness practices, can help reset your dopamine levels. This prevents burnout and maintains a steady flow of motivation and focus throughout the day. These moments of pause are not just breaks from work. They're opportunities to recharge and refocus, allowing you to return to your tasks with renewed energy and perspective. As night falls, your sleep hygiene becomes crucial. A restful night's sleep is essential for resetting your brain's dopamine system. Creating a sleep-conducive environment, dim lights, a cool temperature, and disconnecting from screens can significantly improve the quality of your sleep and, consequently, your dopamine regulation. This preparation for sleep is a ritual, a way to signal to your body and mind that it's time to rest and rejuvenate. Planning and reflection also play a vital role. Setting realistic goals and reflecting on your achievements can provide a sense of accomplishment, further boosting your dopamine levels. It's about recognizing your progress, no matter how small, and using it as a stepping stone for future success. This process of setting goals and reflecting on them helps create a positive feedback loop where each achievement fuels the next, keeping your motivation and focus high. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Remember, managing your dopamine is about creating a lifestyle that aligns with your goals and well-being. Stay tuned for more content that empowers your journey towards a balanced and fulfilling life. Your journey with dopamine is a personal one, and by understanding and applying these principles, you can take control of your motivation, focus, and satisfaction. We're here to support you every step of the way, providing insights and strategies to help you live your best life.